All of our BBC Studio Works studios feature a powerful and flexible Riedel talkback system with a default configuration designed to get productions up and running as soon as the system's turned on, with no programming required. It can be tailored to meet each production's exact requirements using Riedel's Director program in the range of patchable ports and additional panels we have available. The configuration for the system is stored in the Riedel frame, which is on 24-hour power, so ports are active all the time. You just need to power a panel or bolero to use it. To make any changes or load an existing configuration onto the system, launch Director on the Riedel PC in Bay 62. Once Director is open, you will need to connect it to the Riedel network. To do this, click this button. This will connect Director to the artist node and draw off the current online configuration. Director will ask you to log in as the admin user. You do not need to enter a password, just click Log In. If there is an existing artist config that has previously been saved for your show, you can now load it onto the system. To do this, navigate to File, Open, select the appropriate file, then click Open. Director will prompt you to log in as admin. Now click this button to overwrite the current online configuration. Then click OK to confirm the change. This will overwrite the current config on the system with the file you have loaded. If you are starting a new show setup, it is a good idea to load the default configuration first, so that you can be sure your config will not contain any changes made for other shows or setups. Follow the same steps as before, but this time select the KH default v1 file. Once you have overwritten the online config with this, click Save As and type the name of your show and any other details you want to include for ease of reference. The save location will default to the last used folder, which will most likely be the configurations folder within the Riedel folder, where all current configurations are saved and where you will want to save yours. From then on, you will have the option to save and update your existing config file, or Save As if you want to preserve previous versions. It's up to you what you do, but if you do choose to save as a new file whenever you update or on different days, please consider from time to time deleting any older versions you know you will no longer need, or archiving them in the old Riedel configs folder.